Right, today we're going to be going through some ski lessons with you. On a snowboard, though. So first of all, if you find yourself in a seated position, this means you did not listen to your instructor, or maybe you're just a newbie and you find yourself in a seated position. Just like that, we're going to talk about ways to remove yourself from this position. First, you're going to want to wiggle your left thumb. Just like that. Then just hop yourself on up. There you go. Right on. That's what we're talking about. Now, if you're in a bit of a flatland, kind of like we are right now, you're going to want to just move your hips a little bit back and forth. Get some traction. Then you'll find yourself in a position to really go somewhere. Get a little hip, you know. Get that John Travolta in you. Really just fire it up. Just fire it up. Now, we're going to talk about something called, or that I like to call, the helicopter, okay? Now, if you're a beginner, if you're like an intermediate, if you're like an even advanced, like I wouldn't suggest you do the helicopter. Helicopter is more like something like elite to pro level technique, but my associate here is aces. So we're going to go ahead and show you the helicopter. What you want to do is you just want to move your hips in a whip-like motion, and you're just going to whip it around and do the helicopter. Alright, we're back, folks. Thank you for your patience. Alright, so the helicopter. Whip-like motion with your hips, and you want to get off the ground enough so the snow's not, you know, making you really good friends with the snow. Woo! And back to where we started. That was just beautiful. Alright, so that's all we have for you today. Thank you for joining us on the ski lessons with the snowboard. You all have a nice day.
Wait, let me try this helicopter again because I feel I have a little...
I'm already recording.
What?